Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your product activation for Microsoft Office. First, we're going to open a folder and go to local disk and then click on Program Files 86 and then go to Microsoft Office. Then open the Office folder and here you are going to right click on this and run it as an administrator. You're going to do it again and you're going to do it a third time. If you do this, your problem will be fixed. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one!